Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we have 3 chickens that I just pieced out that we need to go ahead and put into freezer safe bags. So for that, I am bringing out my Food Saver VS2100, and I'm going to show you how to vacuum seal your chicken with this. So let's get started. All right, friends, so here is my Food Saver. This is the VS2100. On this side, you're gonna see it has the open, store, and operate. When you wanna get started with vacuum sealing, you wanna make sure that you know what stage you have it on. At the front, I've got vacuum, seal, dry, and moist. And then it also has a section for a handheld accessory, which is this. So this would be used with those Ziploc bags. You would just plug it in and attach this to the bag and it will vacuum seal it for you. I'm not using that today. When you open this up, this is where you have your bags. This right here is your cutter. This is the vacuum sealer, so you want to make sure that you put it in here when you want to vacuum seal. But first thing, we're going to go ahead and make a bag. You're going to pull your bag through. Oh, lift this up, pull your bag through, close this up. This is your sealer right here. So you want to make sure your bag is down here. You're going to go ahead and close this. You are going to turn your lever to operate, and that is going to turn on your machine. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the seal button. When this stops flashing, I know that my bag is sealed. All right, it has turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, open up, and you can see that our bag has been sealed. Now you're going to pull it down, and whatever length that you need, you want to make sure you leave 3 inches of space between your food and the sealer, so that way it's able to close properly. So I am going to be putting some chicken breast in here. I would say right about there should be good for 3 chicken breasts. You're going to go ahead and push this down and cut your bag. This way I can now fill my bag with my chicken. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put our bag into the drip tray. Once your bag is in your drip tray, go ahead and close the lid, put it on operate, and this is moist, so we're going to go ahead and click the moist button and vacuum. Now that it's done vacuuming, it's now sealing my bag. All the lights have turned off. I'm going to go ahead and release this to open. And you can take this out and you can see that everything has vacuum sealed. Your bag is now sealed properly and is ready for your freezer. It leaves you spots here to go ahead and label and date what you have here, and you can go ahead and put it in your freezer. right, friends, once you are done with your machine and you're done using it, go ahead and remove your drip tray and wash it. If your machine is dirty at all, go ahead and wash it down real quick. And then go ahead and store this in a safe spot. All right, friends, and here I have 3 whole chickens that I pieced out and was able to put into vacuum seal bags to go into the freezer. This is a chicken breast that I used my vacuum sealer with back in September. And you can see how great this chicken breast looks. No freezer burn. It looks perfect. This is just because it's been sitting out. But no freezer burn, and it has not been opened. Now here is a chicken that I just put in a Ziploc bag. And this has tons of freezer burn already on it. And this was done at the exact same time that I did this. I just ran out of these bags, so I had to use my Ziploc bags. So in my opinion, I definitely prefer the Food Saver bags compared to my freezer bags. They do last longer and they keep your food fresher. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of my Food Saver VS2100. If you also have a Food Saver, let me know in the comments if you enjoy your Food Saver as well. Friends, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.